Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to unsubscribe from all the emails in Reddit account. So first you are going to open either Reddit application in your phone or in your laptop, or you can just use the website. Once you access it, you are going to log into your account. This is very important, and after you do that, on the top right you will see your profile icon. You just click on it, and then the last option you will find is settings. You just click here, and then you will find yourself in this page, and as you can see here on the top there is different sections. You are going to choose the last one, email, and once you click on it you will find here all the activity. You can choose either to customize to which emails you want to receive and which you don't want to receive, or you can just simply scroll down to the bottom, and the last one you will find it in advanced, unsubscribe from all emails. You just enable this one, and as you can see it will be done. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.